If you're only using your RinseKit Pro to rinse you off after the beach, trust me, you're really missing out. This thing can do so much more. And today I'm gonna share with you my 5 personal pro tips and tricks that take your RinseKit from being a simple rinse off to one of the most powerful tools for everyday adventures, road trips, and yeah, even emergencies. Here we go. Number 1 is, you can pre-chill your water. If you know you're gonna be out on a long, hot hike or spending time in a warm location like the beach or desert, make your rinse kit just more refreshing by pre-chilling it. All you need to do is just fill it with ice and water. The bigger the ice, the longer this thing will hold the chill. Number 2 is preheat your water. That's right, we're going on the flip side for this tip, but yeah, you can preheat your rinse kit, which is awesome for those cold surfing mornings or when you have to rinse off after a cold lake session. Simply just open the top and add in some warm, not hot water to the tank. Now be sure to keep the water below 110 degrees here, as that's the manufacturer's limit for this particular model right here. Number 3, needing more water. Yeah, if you know you'll need more water or extra water to clean off your gear from taking a long shower, make sure to bring an extra jug of water to refill your rinse kit. Or you know what you can do? You can actually build yourself a cheap solar reservoir water storage tube. It's actually really easy to build and my friend showed me how to do it. You just build one out of PVC, put threaded end caps on it, paint it black and fill it with water. Now you can leave it in your car or put it on top of your car if you want the sun to heat it up, and poof, instant warm water reserve for whenever you need it that you can put in your rinse kit. But if that's too much trouble, just, simple water jugs will do as well. Number 4 is make a little accessories caddy. Put a little bottle of soap or shampoo in the top of the rinse kit. While the rinse kit is great for getting the mess off of you, it might not get you fully clean, so you might need a little bit of soap or shampoo. This is really great if you do things like day camping, so you can just shower off at the end of the day, or if you go to the lake, you can easily clean your dog right then and there. Or if you're like me and you go on a hike and you really want to clean your hands so you can go get that ice cold beer, you will make sure that you're 100% completely clean. So just go ahead and toss in a small travel secure bottle of soap, shampoo, dog cleaner, whatever you want in the top of the rinse kit. Trust me, you'll love this tip here. And number 5, keep the inside clean. Depending on how much you're gonna use your RinseKit Pro, you will have to clean it every now and then. Lucky for you, it's really easy to do. It's just like descaling your Keurig coffee maker. Basically, all you do is take a mixture of half white vinegar and half water and run it through the system and flush it out. Now, just a quick note from the manufacturer on this tip right here. You don't have to fill the rinse kit entirely with this mixture ratio. You only have to put a few cups in. So do a few cups of white vinegar and a few cups of water and run it through, and that will be good for you. And then I'm gonna run one more time of just clean water all the way through it, and that's all you need to do. And there you go. I showed you how to get the most out of your RinseKit Pro. Not even RinseKit can make a video this cool, but me, I did it for you, and I'm glad I could show you these cool tips and tricks to really help you out. Now, if you wanna help me out and you got value out of this channel, you can go down below, hit like and subscribe, and leave me a fun comment. RinseKit, if you're out there, leave me a fun comment too. And if you wanna go above and beyond, you can watch more of my videos on this channel right here. If you wanna see some cool recommendations, I'm gonna put them over to your side where you can check out some more dude-approved products from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Love my rinse kit.